Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a software instrument track and loading ExS24. This puts the sampler front and center. Once loaded, click Edit to open the instrument editor so you can see groups, zones, and key mapping. Make sure your samples are normalized and sample rate matched to avoid pitch and timing issues, converting to 44. 1 or 48 kHz prevents resampling artifacts. Now map a single sample to a key to confirm playback before expanding to multiple zones. You now focus on mapping and grouping. Drag samples into zones, set each zone's root key and fine-tune pitch so notes play in tune. Once done, group zones that share the same amplitude envelope or filter settings to save time and maintain consistency. Group controls let you change many zones at once. Use crossfades and overlapping key ranges to smooth transitions between samples, and assign velocity ranges to make dynamics expressive when you play. Make subtle filter and envelope tweaks for realistic attack and release. You finish by adding performance controls. Map the mod wheel to filter cutoff, assign velocity to amplitude or sample selection, and use key switches for articulations so the instrument responds musically when you play. Once configured, save the instrument as a preset and export multiple variations for quick recall in other projects. If you run into problems, check that sample file paths are intact, verify MIDI routing, and monitor CPU. Missing samples, misrouted MIDI, or high CPU often cause silence or glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.